Hajj Badal, even if someone is alive. Let's say someone has an elderly father or mother or grandfather or grandmother, elderly, they're alive. Can we do Hajj Badal for them? Hajj Badal means when you go to Hajj for someone. Can we do it? Yes, you can do it. Prophet ﷺ allowed it. It's in the book of Hajj, Ghaliban, I'm quite sure, Sahih Muslim. It's there. Prophet ﷺ was asked a famous hadith of Fadl. When Fadl was looking at a sister, Prophet would turn his face, don't look, that famous hadith, where Prophet ﷺ was on his right and his sister asked that I have a father who cannot travel, who's too sick, like a near-death situation, kind of like that. Prophet said, yes, you can do Hajj for that person. All right, you could do that. However, you have to have your Hajj done first. Then you can do it for somebody else. Now, I think here there's a solution, because you have lots of Muslims in this ummah who want to go to Hajj, and some scholars have given fatwas that this verdict does not apply on those people. So those people who cannot ever go to Hajj because they are extremely poor and they may never be able to go to Hajj and they really want to go, send them. Instead of resending some local people, hire local people from Mecca and Medina, and it involves money and other things. Don't do that. Spend that money on somebody who is extremely impoverished and they have the wish and desire to go to Hajj. Send them for that Hajj. That would be better, inshallah ta'ala.